In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a Zoom meeting on your laptop or PC. This process is straightforward and ensures that you never miss any critical information discussed during your meeting. Here's a simple guide to help you navigate through the recording process with ease and confidence. First, let's start by opening Zoom on your laptop or PC. If you haven't already downloaded the Zoom application, it's important to do so beforehand, as it makes the process more seamless. Once you have it open, you're ready to move to the next step, which is starting or joining a meeting. This is essential because the record function is only available once you're inside a meeting session. So whether you're the host or a participant, make sure you're in the meeting you intend to record. Next, take a look at the bottom of your Zoom meeting screen. You'll notice several options stretched out along the toolbar. Among those, there's a button labeled Record. Click on this and Zoom will commence recording both the video and audio of the meeting. You might notice a small recording icon appear, often a red dot, signifying that the recording is active. This visual cue can help reassure you that the recording is indeed underway. As you go through your meeting, feel free to focus on your discussion and let Zoom take care of the recording. When you reach the end of your meeting, or if you need to stop the recording at any point, revisit the toolbar. You have two options here. You can either click Stop Recording or simply end the meeting. Stopping the recording will conclude the capture of the meeting content, allowing you to save the conversation you need. One of the convenient aspects of Zoom is its automatic saving function. Once the recording is stopped, Zoom takes it from there. It automatically processes the recording and saves it directly on your computer. You can find the recorded video in your Documents folder, specifically in the Zoom subfolder. This neat organization makes it easy to retrieve and review your recorded content at any time. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to record a Zoom meeting on your laptop or PC. Simple, right? Remember, having a recording can be incredibly beneficial for reviewing meeting points, sharing with those who couldn't attend, or simply keeping for reference. Whether it's for work, school, or personal projects, mastering this process can be an invaluable tool in your digital communication toolkit. Happy recording!